In this lesson, we will see how to quickly simplify a fraction. Simplifying fractions is an important skill to learn so that fractions are easier to work with and understand. Let's start by looking at the fraction 4/12. Not all fractions can be simplified. In order to determine if a fraction can be simplified, you need to determine whether or not there is a single factor by which both the numerator and the denominator can be divided. In this case, both numbers in our fraction can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. By dividing both parts of the original fraction by the same factor, we now have simplified 4/12 to show 1/3. Notice how both 4/12 and 1/3 are the same amount. Simplifying fractions does not change their value. It makes them easier to work with and understand.